my pocket's empty. I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work.
Alright, today we got something fantastic to show you. Another thing in Freeport. Where are we headed?
We're headed to the Lighthouse Pointe Resort.
For the beach, and we're going to show you around the marketplace at Port Lacaya. They are literally right across the street from each other. You don't want to miss this tour. I'll give you more details on the beach once we get there of the cost. But it's a fabulous day. It's sunny, it's gorgeous, and
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
yes, it's going to be a great day, and you don't want to miss this one. Welcome to Port Lacaya Marketplace, Grand Bahama Island. It is a must stop if you come to Grand Bahama for sure. All right, so this is Port Lacaya Marketplace, and you can see it's a couple blocks, I think. But even across the street, there are some nice hotels. If you're staying in town, you could even stay right across from here. These places are beautiful. But we're going to show you a great beach excursion to take when visiting this place. And they even have a tourist information center. So if you want to get some information when here at the marketplace, come here as well. We're here a little early because the ship gets in at 7. But it is a really cool place if you want to do shopping. It costs about $40 round trip for two. So figure $20 per person to get out here. I forget what they call this, a flash mob maybe, but we were just flash mobbed in the Bahamas. All these people just started getting out of cars and started playing music. It'll be another beautiful day in the Bahamas. We're going to show you around and give you some of the highlights. And then it's off to the beach that's within walking distance from here. And does this look relaxing or what? But what I wanted to show you here is this place. They got the best drinks, tropical drinks that you could want. Welcome to the straw market at the marketplace. You kind of shop right here in Port Lacaya Marketplace. From shirts to hats to walking sticks, everything you can imagine. And a lot of this stuff is handmade.
This is my stuff on you.
All right.
Yeah, take a nice look. Yay.
One thing about this marketplace is the colors. Everything is just popped. They take care of it. They are constantly cleaning. But it's just clean, very safe. Like I said, we took a cab out here. We've been out here many times, and I have never felt unsafe. Great sitting area here where you could see they're playing music today. Look at the bay view here at Port Lacaya Marketplace. There's the stage, center stage. Again, we're early. A lot of these places aren't quite open yet. I'll get some better video when these places open up. Check out the boat. All right, this is new. Not quite open yet, but it's a Maritime museum. You can see here, coming soon, Bahamas Maritime Museum. All right, here it is. This place here has some of the best cookies you will ever have. Zorbas. Look at all their pastries and desserts. And the cookies are fabulous here. Do not miss this place. Port Lacaya. Look at all these colors. This must be the lime green section. Island yogurt. Alright, this place looks amazing. They have ice cream machines inside, soft serve. Look at this, community art mosaic. Stunning. Alright, you saw where we went to Zorbas for the cookies, but they also have a restaurant here. We've eaten here a couple times. The food is great. Don't miss it. There it is. Santorini Cafe and Deli. Large selection of ice cream. They even have a Harley Davidson shop here. The Bahama Mama Bar. This looks like an interesting place. Rum Runner Bar. Let me tell you also, there is no shortage of bars right here at the marketplace. Look at this little guy. Hello, little fella. Alright, in the age of cell phones, I'll bet you haven't seen one of these in a long time, at least in my hometown. I haven't seen one of these in years. The telephone booth. If you like jewelry, they got plenty of jewelry stores here as well. Maybe this just says it all right here. Alright, and when you leave the marketplace here,
This way. All right, big
and
guy.
you can see right there, that is Lighthouse Pointe. That's where we're headed. You pay a little extra to go to that beach, but there is a free beach right across the street, but this one's spectacular. Trees. Following your way to the lighthouse. Lighthouse Pointe, Freeport, Grand Bahama, right across from the marketplace. Get the foliage on the walk over to Lighthouse Pointe. You know you got there when you see the lighthouse. Here's the main entrance to Lighthouse Pointe. Thank you. Walk right in the front door. Port Lacaya, Lighthouse Pointe. Look at this hotel inside. We just did the day pass. They have a couple different options. We just paid the $25 for the beach access, but they have another package that's like $75, and that includes, I think, breakfast and lunch. But it's a short cruise stop for us. It's only here till about 1 o'clock. All right, is this magical or what? This is the day pass. Look at this infinity pool. And the beach is amazing. Look at the view of Lighthouse Pointe. This takes you right out to an infinity pool and the ocean. This place is amazing. I will put a link to how to get this day pass. Sure, there was no reservation. Just walk up to the front gate. Right inside the door to the left is a lady that collects the money for the day pass. And you get all of this practically to yourself. Man, is this inviting or what? I'll be getting in this. Along with that, and along with that, the ocean. And I tell you, we've come here a few times to pay for this beach break, but it's not through the cruise ship. You got to do this on your own. But look at the hot tub. Look at my wife. Every time I've come here, it's like I'm the only one here. It is simply amazing resort and a must-do. I'm going to give you a tour of Lighthouse Pointe here. Here's the infinity pool that takes you out to the water. There's my wife getting all set up, but she's the only one here. Here we are walking down the beach, and as I told you, we're the only ones here. That's our cruise buddies ahead of us. They came here with us. But the beach is just so soft. It's almost like a talcum powder. I would compare it to one of the other videos I did which is Blue Lagoon and Half Moon Cay. But the resort is amazing. You've got to check out here if you're just looking for a beach day for a couple of hours, if you're coming in by cruise ship, or if you're staying here in Grand Bahama. 25 bucks gives you everything. Towels, activities. They got a band that's coming out here in an hour. Hopefully we'll catch some of that. Pools, everything. Look at my wife just relaxing with a view like this. Lawn chess. This looks fun, right? Look at this. They even got a lap pool if you want to swim laps. Like I told you, you'll have this whole place to yourself, I promise. I've never been here where it's been crowded or anything. They will have live music here very shortly. Hopefully I can catch some of that for you. But ping pong tables, cornhole, all kinds of activities too, which are included in your day pass. I think it's time, honey. It is time for this bad boy over here bubbling like crazy. I hope it's not that hot. But we're heading to the hot tub. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see this, but man, this hot tub is the perfect temperature too. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah, baby. Here's my wife getting in the hot tub with her hot husband. But man, look at this. Is this like awesome? I know you can probably hear these bubbles and they're going crazy. I'm trying to give you a little bit of a view here, but it's time just to relax and enjoy Freeport Bahamas. There she is, enjoying the hot tub and the Bahama weather. And be prepared for the weather. It can change at any point. We're about wrapping our day up here in Lighthouse Pointe. And it's like perfect timing. Get back to the ship and call it a day. Check out this bar right here at the port. See, right there's our ship in the background. We are at Senor Frog's. This place is hopping and opening. Last time I was here, it wasn't open. But check it out, it is open now.